The war in 1971 gave us our independence but left us in disarray. However, the best part about being free is that you can stand up again to rebuild on your terms. Since then, we have overcome many challenges. Business leaders who recognized our potential to strive in the RMG sector took bold steps to set up factories within the country. The RMG sector of Bangladesh holds an escalating GDP growth average annually. It covers 16% of the total GDP with a high export value. Supporting more than 4 million people, the majority being women, the RMG sector ensures a strong contribution to the country's total export industry. Preceding the rich history of the industry, Pretty Group took its first steps in 2001. Closely aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals, we utilize green energy in our operations as much as possible and work with safety as a unified team. We aim to go green all the way, implementing sustainable initiatives and improving ourselves every day. Pretty Group is like a second home to thousands of people, and we remain proud of our entire team of dedicated professionals. We continuously stay updated with the latest technologies and develop our skills to work with natural and artificial fiber. Our design hubs are one of the best in the country, with foreign and local designers enabled by cloud computing, advanced software and gadgets to help us predetermine every step of production. With the advanced facility of virtual sampling, our clients can view the expected products remotely, speeding up and unlocking the flawless production of garments. Sweaters are among the most popular fashion products our clients ask for. We proudly hold one of the largest production capacities in the country, and we always deliver on time. With careful attention at every stage of knitting, makeup and finishing, we ensure the highest quality and comfort along with trendy styles. Sweaters are sought after throughout the year, which gives us the practice we need to be efficiently consistent. Dyeing yarn and fabric need the most water to complete the processing. That is why we use the world's largest membrane bioreactor run by fully automated Orgatex technologies. Our automatic dispensing system handles complex dosing operations during the dyeing process. Moreover, the installation of a unique industrial underground ETP helps us recycle water to full effectiveness before it is set for reuse again. We have the country's second largest RO plant to enable safe drinking water for everyone. We are experts in producing knit products with proper expertise. Knit products such as t-shirts and knitted trousers are all among the most common choices for export. We produce high-quality woven garments such as formal and casual shirts, ladies' blouses and woven trousers, which are gaining extreme popularity as sustainable garments. With labels and folds all in place, your Made in Bangladesh products are prepared to see the world. At Pretty Group, we are qualified and trained to take responsibility for producing global standard apparel. We are grateful to be the manufacturing partners with numerous globally recognized brands. Throughout the years, our wings have expanded across the globe thanks to our buyers. We know that delivering on time means staying ahead of the rest. Ensuring on-time shipment to our customers is one of our strongest footholds, which gives us an edge when it comes to shifting gears in fashion trends and ideas. Such an achievement cannot be executed without properly trained hands, innovative ideas, and an inspired workforce. We have received several certifications from world standard organizations, which gives us the inspiration to keep on doing our best every year. With fashion continuously changing and trends setting new courses, customer satisfaction is, at the end of the day, what we want to achieve. Delivering quality and punctuality remains the key for us. Leaning on our success, we have been fortunate enough to build schools and contribute to hospitals in the villages. Every winter, we do our best to go to the borders and distribute sweaters among families struggling in the cold. It is indeed a matter of pride for us to know that the RMG industry has been booming for the last 3 decades and has even more potential to escalate. As we move forward into the future, we see ourselves transforming with factory automation systems to maximize efficiency. But more than anything, here at Pretty Group, we are excited to greet a successful tomorrow. Pretty Group, #1 solution for RMG.